Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So last week, gold closed at a record high of 2721 and there was no sign of retracement at the time of market closing. So we discussed about the retracement levels in our video on Saturday and we were waiting for the market opening. Market is open and yes, gold is behaving like gold. Gold was bullish. Gold made a high of 2732, 2733 and finally we can see some retracement on the chart of gold. My dear friends, this is a retracement, not trend reversal. Do not get confused between retracement and trend reversals. If there's a complete change in structure of the market, then we can hope that this downside will continue, then we can go for a sell. But right now this is just a retracement, so respecting the ongoing trend of the market, it's still safer for us to be on the buy side only. And if you look at the economic calendar here, we can see today we do not have any major news for gold. Okay, so more or less we can expect the ongoing market sentiment to dominate the chart. Okay, and if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can change in these numbers here. You can see it was around 50-50 couple of days ago, but now we can see that retail traders are jumping on the sell positions again. 65% retail traders are on the sell side and 35% are on the buy side. And as we all know, market usually move against the Forex sentiment meter. So if we go by the Forex sentiment meter, still there is a room for further upside because this position indicates the position of the retail traders, and sadly retail traders lose money most of the time. So Forex sentiment meter, okay, usually market move against the Forex sentiment meter. And if we look at the contracts data, we have the next big level around 2750, but sadly, the number of contracts are reducing. You can see it was not a big number, but still there is a reduction of contracts, minus 367 at 2750. And at 2800 also we have a considerable reduction of contracts. So from the contracts data also, we do not have any resistance. So whenever we face a situation like this, whenever a market trades at a record high, the only way to make money is to follow the trend of the market. Because on the left hand side of the chart, we don't have any information technically. So technically we don't have any resistance. So if you really want to survive in this type of market situation, you will have to follow the only rule of the market, that is trend. I know it very well that market is already overbought. So we have already discussed in our previous videos also that already market has given a considerable move. So things are very dangerous and fragile right now. But if you still want to trade in this market, then try to be on the buy side only. Because if you take a sell, then there's a high chance that you will end up losing money. Because every day I receive so many emails and messages where people share their sad stories of losing capital, share losing their money, and all are result of sitting on the sell position. Already I have discussed in my Saturday video also. So people are taking sell position hoping for a trend reversal, but do not forget, hope is not a trading strategy. Okay, so if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you guys. Okay. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold, suppose you have been sitting on gold, because yes, there are some positional traders also buyers. So those who are sitting on gold for a long time, you can continue your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2700. If gold breaks 2700, then you can exit from your buy position. But if you're having a buy from 2500, 2600 area, then you can continue your buy as long as gold is trading above 2700. You don't need to exit because these are just retracement. If gold comes down to 2700 also, that will just be a correction, not trend reversal. Because for a trend reversal, what do we need? We need a solid fundamental reason, and right now we don't have. Without any proper fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal to 2500, 2600 area. there may be some corrections of like 100 pips, 130 pips, but we can expect that after the correction, market will be going up again. Okay, so buyers, hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2700 level. And those who are looking for fresh position, try to be on the buy side only for safety reasons. Clear? So where can we look for buy on the chart of gold right now? On the chart of gold, okay, around 2700 to 2703 is still the best buy level because of many reasons we have discussed in our Saturday video. It's a round number. We also have dynamic support. So 2700 is still the best level. But when a market is trending, market is extremely bullish, so chances of market coming down to 2700 levels at 2700 is very less. In that case, we need to look for immediate levels. So right now, the next immediate level on the chart of gold is around 2720 to 2719. Not a very strong level, but in this situation, we can definitely expect market to receive some support around 272019 area because of previous resistance acting as support. Usually, we prefer to trade on the hourly time frame. You can see that for clarity, we are on the 15 minutes time frame now. Okay, but analysis, okay, should be based on hourly or 4 hours time frame only for stable purpose. So on the hourly chart, we can see the market is showing that, okay, there is a retracement coming soon. Well and good. Without retracement, okay, taking a buy is very risky. So let's wait and watch. So levels from Saturday are still the same here. The best level to go for buy is around 2700 to 03, but this level is far away. So we can also look for buy around 2710 to 12. Okay, but now today we have a new level which is 2720 2719 area if market takes support. Okay, do not place buy positions blindly. If you see that after hitting the level, market is showing price rejection from below, then only hit the buy button. Okay, and if you look at the weekly chart or daily chart, then obviously okay, it's not of much use because the weekly and daily chart have been betraying us for a long time. Okay, so let's not assume anything by looking at the higher time frames. Time will speak. Okay, as long as market is trading above 2700, we can consider the market to be bullish only, and it's better for us to be on the buy side only because right now it seems that sky is the limit. Market may hit 2750, 2800. Everything is possible for gold right now. But personally, I believe that okay, market will not fly away straight to 2800 area. I think there will be a correction. Okay, I think there should be a correction. And after the correction, we can expect the market to remain sideways like this, market to remain range bound, because already the market has given a considerable move without any proper consolidation. So there should be some consolidation. After that, we can expect the market to continue the upside. Okay, so these are the retracement levels where we can look for a buy on the chart of gold. And during the day, if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can't help it. In that case, we can look for a buy and breakout above 2734. Above 2734, we can look for a buy again, but keep in mind buying at breakout is riskier in comparison to retracement. If you go for a buy at breakout, do not risk more than 1 to 2% of the capital. Already gold is trading in a very fragile zone. Things are quite risky, so follow proper risk management and stop loss. Okay, so let me wrap it up, my dear friends. Okay, the market is open, and after the market opening, gold was continuing the upside. It made a high of around 2733. Okay, now we can see market is showing signs of retracement. Obviously, the market is extremely bullish, so respecting the ongoing trend, it's better and safer for us to be on buy only, because taking a sell in this situation is suicidal. Already we have discussed about this. So technically we have got nothing on the left hand side of the chart, so no resistance. Okay, we have also looked at the contracts, no resistance for the contracts as well. So if market comes down, then we can look for a buy position at retracement. Where can we look for buy? Around 2700 area. But if 2700 is far away, then obviously we need to look for immediate levels. Where we can look for immediate buy? Around 272019, around 271012 area. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can look for buy and breakout, which is above 2734. But breakout can be a little riskier, so follow proper risk management. And already market has given a considerable move. So right now, okay, at any point a correction may come. Okay, so use proper stop loss. And when a correction will come, it should be a correction of at least 100 to 130 pips, because earlier also we have seen in the charts of gold that whenever gold formed big candles, it was around one. It was a good move. Let's wait and watch. And it's a sad reality that no human being can predict the top and bottom of the market. Okay, if you do, if you do not agree with me, okay, then please listen to respected Warren Buffett sir. Okay, in many interviews, Warren Buffett sir has also said the same thing, that nobody can predict the top and bottom of the market. So right now on the chart of gold, also we don't know where is the top. Okay, so as long as market is continuing the upside, try to be on the buy side only. Okay, and whenever you'll feel the urge to gamble, okay, just think about your family. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Do not gamble.